2015 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8. Beautiful truck, nice blue color. Got factory converters there, there, and there. Total of 4. Then it comes true dual into a factory dual in single out muffler. We took that out and put a FLOWMASTER Super 10. Comes in, dual out. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, out the back straight, there, and there. That's how you true dual them. Into factory double wall tip, not factory, aftermarket double wall tips, as you guys can see. 4-inch in, 4-inch out. Came out really beautiful. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's the exhaust that came off of it. There's the dual in, right there. And there's the tailpipe. Before, after. Much nicer, cleaner, more. Sounds better than the other one. Oh, wow. What do you hear when you get on it, right? There's sound decibels? That sounds phenomenal. Hope you guys like it. We do.